Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the clip you'll track. Pick a segment with a steady subject and good lighting because the algorithm needs clear facial features. Once selected, tap the clip in the timeline and open Effects. Choose Face Tracking. You do this now so the app can analyze frames immediately. It speeds up later steps. Make sure to grant VN permissions if prompted and trim the clip to the exact range you want tracked before moving on. Next, configure how VN follows the face. Choose single face tracking for one person or multiple face tracking for groups. This affects processing time. Then set sensitivity and smoothing. Higher smoothing reduces jitter but can lag behind quick movements, so balance for your footage. Once parameters are set, attach the visual element, an overlay, sticker, or a localized color grade that will follow the tracked points. This is where you control. Finally, preview the full clip and watch for tracking slips or scale errors. Play at full resolution to catch subtle issues. If you spot drift, add a manual keyframe correction at that frame and nudge the overlay back into place, because manual fixes are faster than redoing everything. Once satisfied, render or export at 1080p and your desired frame rate. If tracking still fails badly, rerun tracking after increasing contrast in the clip. This often improves detection and fixes persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.